What to expect in detox dieting. In this video you will learn more about what to expect in detox dieting. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you won't miss any of our lifestyle videos. All detox diets are a little bit different. Some restrict food down to almost nothing while others allow for mostly veggies, beans, fruit, and rice. There are a few things that you should expect when beginning a detox diet, so that you can receive the full detox diet's benefits. Your body is significantly used to adjusting to toxins and poisons running through your body. One of the greatest detox diet benefits, naturally, is that you will rid your body of these toxins and poisons. There are side effects of receiving these detox diet benefits. If you are particularly used to that steaming cup of caffeinated beverage in the morning, you will experience caffeine withdrawal. While it may not seem like it while you are experiencing caffeine withdrawal, this is one of the detox diet's benefits. Once your body has adjusted to the absence of caffeine, you should find that you have more energy. Constipation is considered a leading cause of lethargy and fatigue. One of the detox diet benefits is the cleansing of the colon, which can cure even long-term constipation. Even with the detox diet benefits, some people report feeling a bit weak during the first week into the detox diet. Most detox diets do reduce food consumption, which can have an effect. The basic key is knowing how to elongate the effects of the foods you do eat. Those who really struggle with the lowered food consumption report that splitting the lunches into 2 meals works better for them than eating just the suggested breakfast and lunch. This still gives them the detox diet benefits, but doesn't introduce additional foods into the scenario. Most detox diet experts state that provided you are not adding additional foods to the diet, segregating the meals into smaller snacks is perfectly acceptable. The excessive water consumption associated with the detox diet is going to encourage your system to flush, which means you will be visiting the restroom much more often. This is a positive detox diet benefit. The more water that flushes your system, the more toxins that will exit your body. Excreting it often will enhance the productivity of the entire process. One of the little-known detox diet benefits is the regeneration of the liver, that can occur while following a detox diet. Milk thistle is typically recommended as part of the supplementation of the detox diet. Milk thistle aids in the liver and its ability to regenerate. It's not a cure for liver disease, however it can help in the prevention of a liver disease, along with other changes to your lifestyle. What not to expect when detox dieting. Detox dieting is designed to alleviate the ailments associated with large quantities of toxins that are built up in the human body. Detox dieting is not a cure for every disease. While most people experience great relief from everyday annoying symptoms, detox dieting does not eliminate diseases that are already in the system. For instance, you cannot rid your body of cancer cells by detox dieting. The cancer cells, for starters, are not an actual toxin. They may have been caused by toxins, but the cells themselves are not something that can be flushed away. Most people drop several pounds when detox dieting. There are those who drop a significant amount of weight when detox dieting. This is normal, and while some of it can be contributed to the flushing of fat cells, water weight, and calorie reduction, there are some permanent weight loss happening, provided you do not return to eating habits that are probable for weight gain. This means that if you were prone to eating potato chips and cookies prior to detox dieting, you will gain the weight back. This may seem obvious, but there are plenty of foods that people believe contain a low calorie and low fat content, but in reality, they contain quite the opposite. An avocado, for example, contains nearly 3 times the amount of fat and calories as a measured serving of enriched white rice. While detox dieting, learn to recognize the foods you are putting into your body and what they actually do once they enter your gullet. Detox dieting is not a cure for serious emotional or mental conditions, such as clinical depression. While many people admit to feeling less depressed during and after detox dieting, there is a difference between situational depression and clinical depression. Clinical depression requires medication. Detox dieting cannot take the place of medication that is necessary to function on a day-to-day basis. Situational depression may be alleviated through detox dieting simply because you are taking control of your body, your health, in essence, your situation. These two depressions are significantly different. How is detox dieting different from other diet plans? There are grapefruit diet plans and the Atkins diet plan. There is green tea diet plan and the national chain diet plans. An individual can spend countless hours and thousands of dollars trying various diet plans. Some will work while others will ultimately fail. Why? Because not all diet plans will work for everyone. Does detox dieting work for everyone? Yes. Why? Because losing weight is a byproduct of the goal. The goal is to clean the body of the various toxins and wastes, which have accumulated over the years. This is a process of ridding the body of the ailing chemicals introduced into on a daily basis while eliminating the buildup of residual toxins. Weight loss occurs as a result of numerous factors, but weight loss is not the primary goal of a detox diet plan. Keep in mind that not all detox diet plans are the same. Some detox diet plans are put together by professionals who understand the body's ability to cleanse itself of these harmful chemicals. While diet plans are typically put together by an entrepreneurial spirit, the detox diet plan was actually something that originated by a naturopathist. Naturopathist is an individual who studies the various body types and how they process things on their own unique level. Since the detox diet plan was developed, there have been a remarkable number of knockoff detox diet plans that have shown up on the market. These are all plans that suggest you stop eating and drink only diluted juice for several. Beyond 24 hours this becomes unhealthy. If you're going to try any diet plan at all, it would simply make sense to start at the beginning. The beginning of healthy weight loss is a healthy body. The dramatic detox diet benefits are that people who tried to detoxify their bodies using the original detox diet plan found themselves losing weight as a welcome surprise. Detox dieting has grown in popularity due to its dual effect. Detox dieting cleanses the body of the toxins and as a result, weight loss occurs. There simply isn't another diet plan that can match that. No matter what they claim. Compare your lifestyles, your food products, and your basic need for heat and eat meals, to the lifestyle and food of people in remote and natural regions, such as the Pacific Islands. People in natural regions are healthier overall. They eat natural foods that haven't been laced with chemicals and they live natural lives that don't revolve around the constant breathing of polluted air. Their bodies are not only healthier, but they are naturally thinner. They have fewer health complaints such as headaches and toothaches and stomach cramping. The detox diet plan can help you jumpstart your body toward a healthier state of being. Naturally, effective detox dieting requires an effective detox diet plan. You really shouldn't just linger out there in cyberspace hoping the right detox diet plan will pop up into your browser. Finding an authentic detox diet plan that is effective, safe, and of course reliable shouldn't be left to luck. Are you ready to try detox diet? Check out our recent clip as well here in Lifestyle Stalkers. Be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.